Alright guys, we're gonna make some pancake, homemade pancake, for real. We have some all-purpose flour, baking powder, teaspoon, so I'm just gonna grab teaspoon. This is not a teaspoon, this is a tablespoon, but it's okay. Salt, to make it feel flavory. We're gonna put 2 scoops of sugar to taste it good, right? Butter is ready. Bombastic. Look, crack the egg. Now we put the banana. Are we forgetting? Leche de vaca. This is leche de vaca, not goat. So it's really good. Let's go. Have to do with style, love, passion. We're gonna make it nice and beautiful. Why? Because we deserve the beauty in this planeta. What is planeta? Planet Discovery Channel. Right, we're gonna flip it over to see how it goes. Wow! This is so amazing, guys. Look at this texture. Let's flip it off the rest. You burn it? No, I didn't. It's beautiful. I call it beautiful.